Hey guys, ever heard of the latest Notion AI that is making waves in the industry? I recently tried it out. I can assure you that this AI is phenomenal. In today's video, I will be sharing all you need to know about Notion AI. Let's get right into it. Notion AI is an extension of Notion that is powered by Anthropic's Claude language model. Unlike ChatGPT, which simply provides a blank page waiting for you to start a prompt, Notion AI simply suggests helpful prompts when you start a new page to boost your productivity. For those unfamiliar with Notion, Notion is a highly versatile and user-friendly productivity tool that offers an array of exciting features designed to enhance efficiency and streamline workflows. At its core, Notion helps boost productivity by harnessing a wide range of customizable tools, including creating and managing custom databases, calendars, and pages. With Notion, you can seamlessly tailor your digital workspace to suit your preferences. While Notion AI is a paid version, it offers almost the same feature as ChatGPT and even more. It is based on the LaMDA language model, which stands for Language Model for Dialogue Applications. It can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. One of the major features that caught my attention about Notion AI is the elimination of the copy and paste process. You don't have to copy a text from one page to another. Notion AI integrates all the pages opened on your device. With Notion AI, you can translate, brainstorm, and generate initial drafts, create outlines, compose creative narratives or essays, and even transform a block of text into an organized to-do list. The efficiency and speed at which this AI organizes tasks and responds to prompts is surprising. With Notion AI, you can get even the most complicated task done in a few seconds. And not just a bulk of incoherent, repetitive answers. Notion AI is reputable for organization and productivity enhancement, so you can expect an organized, coherent template. This is a game changer. This AI is set to revolutionize content writing and data management. Notion AI can be used to write articles, press releases, and meeting agendas. It can also summarize articles stored on your device by using the Save to Notion web extension. It takes out the major points and summarizes the entire content. Notion AI is not only limited to creating new content, it can also edit existing content and generate additional content. So, how do you go about this? Simply highlight the text you intend to work on. Then click on Ask AI in the menu bar. Under Generate from Selection, select any of the options. You have Summarize, Translate, Explain this, Find Action Items. Then, the AI starts writing. You can click Try again if you're not satisfied with the output, or stop. Once you're done, there are several other features available. You can choose to expatiate on the initial response with an additional prompt or click on any of the following. Continue writing, make longer, close, or try again. Any of these options will generate a new output for you. I think I need to emphasize that Notion AI is different from Notion. They are two distinct tools that should not be confused. While Notion allows you to create to-do lists from scratch, it also provides the functionality to generate action items based on existing content on your page. On the other hand, Notion AI offers a feature called Find Action Items, which automatically identifies tasks that it deems necessary in your workflow. Upon selecting this feature, Notion AI generates a comprehensive list of these perceived to-dos. Additionally, ChatGPT can also assist in creating personalized to-do lists. However, it necessitates providing the chatbot with sufficient context to tailor the list to your specific needs. Even at that, when you already have relevant information documented elsewhere, Notion AI proves to be the superior choice for such tasks. Its ability to streamline your workflow and identify the necessary tasks to be executed makes it an efficient solution in this regard. It saves you time. Do I also mention that Notion AI can save you long hours of planning, brainstorming, or even analyzing a vast database? With this advanced AI tool at your disposal, you have the ability to automate those monotonous and time-consuming tasks that can often hinder productivity and get down to the major tasks. Gone are the days of messy and cluttered notes. With Notion AI, no need to jump back and forth between your notes in a separate AI app. Notion AI seamlessly integrates everything together. However, as I was trying out and exploring the features, I couldn't help but notice a missing element in this AI which left me disappointed. Despite the myriad of intriguing features that Notion AI offers, it has one significant drawback. It is not connected to the internet. Unlike GPT-4, which benefits from its connection to the internet, Notion AI currently lacks this functionality, which is quite disappointing. Nevertheless, it still remains a highly valuable tool for conducting research when combined with other plugins. To address this gap, a Save to Notion plugin has been integrated that allows you to effortlessly save websites or YouTube videos directly to a Notion database or a designated page. The AI assistant is accessible on the web version, as well as desktop and mobile apps. To use Notion AI, you must create an account. Currently, Notion AI offers free and paid plans, but there is a clause. With the free plan, you are limited to 20 prompts a day. If this limit does not meet your requirements, consider upgrading to the Plus plan for $10 per month or $8 if paid annually. Creating an account is quick and easy, requiring only an email address. Alternatively, you can connect using your Google, Apple, or Facebook account. These steps are straightforward and achievable. Once you're signed in, using the platform will feel intuitive and seamless. Keep in mind that there is no support chat available on the platform. However, if you need assistance, Notion provides detailed guides with instructions to help you out. Whatever plan you opt for, you are good to go. Whatever plan you choose, you're ready to dive in. You'll have access to an AI chat and grammar check, which sets this AI ahead of ChatGPT. ChatGPT often regurgitates errors and misspellings, whereas Notion AI can double as a spelling and grammar checker. Though Notion AI does not offer a broad variety of tools, such as Research Assistant, Reference Finder, Plagiarism Checker, in-text, MLA, and APA citations, meaning you must always double-check each of its responses when combined with other plugins for research purposes. Notion AI can effortlessly generate any text you need, with additional features that allows you to rewrite and paraphrase or even summarize your text. Moreover, if you are stuck with writing, Notion has a brainstorm function, making it an exceptional AI compared to ChatGPT. Now, if you are still hesitating between the two AIs, let's take a moment to analyze their similarities and differences. Keep in mind that while both AIs have their unique characteristics, although both Notion AI and ChatGPT are based on LLMs or large language models, there are several crucial differences between them. One notable distinction is in terms of customization. Notion AI offers greater flexibility compared to ChatGPT. With Notion AI, users have the ability to create custom databases, tables, and notes that are tailored to their specific needs. But as for ChatGPT, it is less customizable. Also, Notion AI is more versatile than ChatGPT. Notion AI can be used for work organization, document creation, collaboration, you just name it. On the other hand, ChatGPT is basically one-way traffic, serving as a chatbot. When it comes to training data, Notion AI has been trained on an extensive dataset of text and code, enabling it to generate highly precise and informative text. In contrast, ChatGPT relies on a smaller dataset of text, resulting in comparatively less accurate outputs. Honestly, Notion AI can propel the genius in you. It can boost your creative thinking and idea generation through features such as brainstorming and mind mapping. All this can assist you in generating new ideas and enhancing your overall creativity. Unlike ChatGPT, when you become accustomed to it, your brain functions less, and you become less proactive. That will be all for today. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to press the subscribe button. Till I see you in the next video, stay artificially awesome.